So now let us begin by creating an array which contains duplicate items in it. We can do this simply by creating an array like this. Let us name the array as names, and you can take any name that you want. So let's quickly create that array. Make a note that you have duplicates, because if there are no duplicates, then you won't be able to see the difference between this approach, which is kind of the fastest approach that we can take right now. So I think great. So now we have an array over here which contains some duplicate items. Now in our result, we definitely do not want these items to be present in a duplicated manner. We want just the unique items. So as I said, you can do this using a single line of code. Now what we are doing is we are trying to create a duplicate copy of that array first and then pass it through the set function, so that now using that set function we get a completely unique array that we can display later on. So this is a one-line operation, and I would like you to pay attention to it, because in further approaches we can see that we'll be able to see that how we can complicate this and how other approaches work in the same scenario, giving you a brief explanation what all differences lie when you are writing JavaScript seriously in a cleaner manner, taking note of your complexity, etc. And that will essentially help you to write better code. So let us name it as unique names. And now, since it will be an array itself, we'll again create an array and we'll use the spread operator. As I said, we'll again start by using the set function and simply pass in the array that is present to us called names. So what happens is that I think I have missed the new keyword. Okay, now it's fine. So we needed to use the new function over here, and now we are ready to print our unique names list. So before I print that, I would like to console log what all we had when we had just the names. So as you can see that when I print the first array, we just had these elements present within the array, and we can see clearly that the name Ankush is a duplicate over here, and we do not want that. Now let us see what our result from our second solution gives us. So great. As you can see that this has been completely revamped. We didn't need to write any hefty loop or use any other function from JavaScript to create this sort of result. We'll definitely explore other approaches as well, but what happens over here, what I need you to understand is that this is how you can definitely increase your chances of writing a cleaner, more understandable code. Again, I would like to explain a nifty feature that can help you console log a lot of things properly in a good manner. So as you can see that we have a different sort of console log over here. Instead of console logging 2 times, now I have console log both of these together. This saves us some space while writing code, and essentially we can compare the both results in a simple way. So it has created kind of a JSON over here, and we can see this in a much more refined and a much more cleaner way. So that's it for the first episode. Let me catch you up on what's coming next. So in the next video, definitely we'll be exploring some more concepts of JavaScript and try to dive deep into learning how the basics work. There'll be a lot of problems like these coming up in this series, so I would request you to stay tuned and wait for more such features and videos. And we also have some special guests coming with us who will be helping us out in understanding JavaScript better. Till then, it is Ankush, and again, thank you for watching Code Wolf. Do like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye bye.